You are Dr. Jon Snow. It is 1854. London is dying around you. Cholera is killing thousands. The government says it spreads through bad air. You know they're wrong. You've mapped every death, traced every case. The pattern is undeniable. It's the water. The Broad Street pump is poisoned. You march into the Board of Health with your evidence, maps, death records, water samples, everything. The officials study your work. They nod. They whisper among themselves. Then the chairman looks up and says, "Fascinating theory, Dr. Snow. We'll take it under advisement." But you see something in their eyes. They already know. Later, you overhear two board members in the hallway. He's absolutely right about the water supply. Of course he is. We've known for weeks. So why aren't we shutting down the pumps? Because admitting our water system is lethal would crash the economy. Better to let them think it's bad air. They're choosing profit over lives. And tomorrow, they'll call you a quack in the newspapers. Full episode on the channel.